good afternoon, wherever you are watching from. I am still here in the beautiful city of Nassau, here in the country, the Bahamas. So we are starting the tour this morning here in a famous place in town here called the Fish Fry. So as you can see, this is the signboard here leading us to the famous Fish Fries. So let's walk this way. Fish Fries is a marketplace right by the bay area or the ocean area. Fish Fry is filled with several shops, several entertainment centers, restaurants. It's a place here in Nassau where people come to hang out. Now, Nassau, Bahamas is a city that receives a lot of folks from cruise ships. This is where a lot of the cruise ships come here. It's a gateway to many countries. And so a lot of folks use this place for their cruise ship. And this area in particular, the Fish Fry area, you find a lot of people here that are coming from cruise ships and just coming here to enjoy themselves for entertainment purposes. So I was here last night and I really enjoyed the ambience in this place. It was nice. Like I said earlier in the other video, if you haven't watched that, you should. I came here and enjoyed a beautiful dinner at a place here called Bruno, and it's in the same area. It's in the day now, so it's a little quiet at this point. But around the evening, late evening last night, this whole place was filled with people. And the entertainment was going on last night. It was really nice. But I just wanted to show you this famous Fish Fry. You can never come to Nassau without coming here to the Fish Fry. Once you look up Nassau, the city of Nassau, you will see that Fish Fry is a big area here. It's a big market here. So there are a lot of fresh juices, there are a lot of fresh food here. Beautiful food, restaurants. So definitely you will check this place out when you are coming here. So enjoy it. I'm going to do less talking now, and I want you to just enjoy as I walk around the Fish Fry area. Enjoy.
There is a nail there.
The weather here today is very hot, but it's not bad for this place. I heard that around summer area it's unbearable. But today, because it's around winter, it's a bit cooler here today. But it's nice weather.
Guys coming in?
I will come in later. Yes, sir. Asking you to come in to enjoy some food. All right, let's keep going down. Let's see what they have here.
I take like dumpling. I take like dumpling. Go right in, guys. Go right in. What you want to do? Yo, good. No, I was trying to get him.
Come on.
Just enjoy yourself. Change your mind right next door, okay? All right, no problem.
Let's check out the menu. I want to see the menu.
Come on.
Not hungry yet. That's the menu here right now.
No, I can show you the prices on the menu. That's the pictures of the food.
Okay, okay, good. Yeah, let's see that.
Okay. Go back to her right there, and she can show you the menu.
Okay. So, oh, I'm sorry, guys. Good. I want to see the menu. Actually, I was telling him I'm not ready yet, but he was pushing me in here. Okay. Okay. Let me put it back here. I'll come back. All right. I am not eating now. We'll be back. I just had breakfast. I just wanted to see it, the menu. But I'll be back. I'm sure I will have lunch here later on. This place is very safe, or I should say relatively safe. Right there across is the police station right there. So they have a police station right here where they supervise everything. They make sure that folks come here are protected and all that. So it's nice actually. This is my second day here. Well, officially day one because the last night was arrival night. So officially this will be day number one. These are some of the stuff that you can do out here. They have the ferry transportation, the island, observatory, lunch and soft beverages. So all-inclusive beach day. All-inclusive beach day. They have the lounge chair and umbrellas. So all-inclusive beach day. That's something you can do. This trip for me is going to be very easygoing. I usually do a lot of these things when I travel, except for the pig, swimming with pig, which I don't think I have any interest in. I've done all of this in different places. So I am not really big about these things. I think I'm going to take it easy this time. Just see what this place has, and maybe on day 2 or 3 I can do 1 or 2 things. But I'm not going crazy this time around about stuff, because I've done most of those things in different. Yeah, so nothing much is going to be done this time. I will take it very easy. I will check out the beaches though. There are beautiful beaches here from what I heard. So I'm going to check out the beaches, definitely. But not much is going to be happening here. This is more of a trip to relax, a trip to wind down. So enjoy the fish fry area. I want to spot some beaches here. I'll show you some beaches here, and maybe on another video we can do more of the beach tour. I can talk to you. Let's see what it's going to be like. The guy over there want me to do a jet ski, so let's talk to him. Let's talk to him. You can see right in front of us. If you can see there, still a little far away, but there are a lot of ships, cruise ships, parked over there. Yeah? Not much, brother. How you doing? Good, good. So you have jet skis?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No
I'm
problem.
Jalahu.
All right. Are you from Africa or something?
Liberia, Africa.
Right.
Yeah,
No
yeah.
problem.
So how do you rent your jet skis?
Do it like start off with like time frame 35 minutes.
35 minutes?
Yes, it's like 120.
Okay.
It's not per person. It's just for the jet ski.
Just for the jet ski.
Yeah, two people can get on one at the same time.
Okay. I just got here.
All right.
I'm here for a whole week,
Right.
so I'm not in rush.
No problem.
You have a card or you just here?
I'm here every day. Take my number. You have
Oh,
a
I
phone?
left my phone in the hotel.
You have your phone in the hotel?
yeah.
All right.
Yeah. But you're here every day.
I'm here every day, all day.
Okay.
All day, every day.
Okay.
Right here. This is the legitimate spot right here.
Sounds
one
good.
or two other spots where guys try to take you, but they're not legit.
Okay.
You see what understand what I'm saying? This
Yeah.
is legit.
Sounds good, brother.
Ready? My name's 45.
45. That's
Yes.
easy name to remember.
Yes, easy name to remember.
All right,
And your
45.
name again?
Jalahu.
Jala. Okay, Jala.
Yes, sir.
No problem.
All right, brother.
Whenever you, anytime you come, bring the group. We take care of you. We have chairs, umbrellas, everything right around here.
Okay.
All right, so you can have some fun, sit down, relax, whatever you want to do.
Awesome.
No problem.
I appreciate you.
All right, cool.
Uh-huh. So that's it. Let's get back on the road. I am not doing jet ski. 35 minutes for 100 plus. You heard it from him. Well, some people will run to it. I've done jet ski before for way cheaper price. I am not doing it. But just in case you are interested, his name is 45. When you come to Nassau, Bahamas, come right out here, fish fry. Make your right somewhere here around Frankie. There's a place called Frankie Gone Bahamas, or Banana, sorry. Frankie Gone Bananas. That's the restaurant name. Right opposite this restaurant, you will find 45 and his group. And for a 35-minute jet ski ride, you will be paying a little over $100. I am not interested. But I'm interested in seeing the city. I'm interested in seeing the beautiful Bahamas. So that's why I'm here. There's something up there. I don't know. It looked very memorial. Way up there. It looked very memorial. It looked there's something out there, but I will ask later. I don't know what that is for now. Let's keep walking around. Walking around, going straight in front of us is downtown Nassau. I went there last night. I didn't drive. But my host, the lady who place I am staying, Sonia, took me to downtown last night. And it is not far at all. So we will be going there. There's another video that will be coming out to show just downtown and how downtown Nassau look like. Then from there we will do a lot of different videos covering different things. I do plan to stay entirely local. What I mean is, I will even ride the buses. I will go to the local places. There are some towns and villages in this area that I will also love to see. So, hanging with me, we are still in the fish fry area. There are a lot of tourists in this area. A lot of people come out here for tourism, and they are here just enjoying themselves. This is a beach. One of the most famous beaches out here is called Jacolo Beach. Jacolo Beach. Jacolo Beach. I believe this is the Jacolo Beach area. I was told last night that it's right around here.